For hi Ghana 7 TVGH, message or like a comment, subscribe with a notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
Mibufu ya kosi. I was like, what are you talking about? Why are you blaming nurses backlog on Nanado? Meanwhile, there's a sitting government. You are not even blaming the sitting government. Say, why is he not absorbing nurses for Matinefi? But you are blaming it on Nanado. That is the kind of politics they are playing in the central region. Those Nechita phone, if they care to know, because me central region if they care to know, that is what is going on here. So if they say Ken is not playing, is not being tribal, it's not true. It is never true. Say Ken is not being tribal. The tribal politics they are playing here is worse than what is going on at the north. So they should spare us. They should spare us. Where Ghana is, like Akufo Addo, Ghana is at a crossroads. Ye pobia owe economy hu nimdie ye pobia wesua nyansa akọ echire ye pobia wa manage huge economies and huge portfolios ye de nikosi bedwe mu a o kasa ye bo so we nyansa na e kasa ye pobia obema oman ne tompon. We as a party MPP, we don't believe in state-owned enterprising. We do not. Because we share a history of state-owned enterprises, no, and more it doesn't benefit the state in any way, shape, or form. And what kind IMF report now, 2023 by the state-owned enterprises, they are the biggest, they are government's biggest nightmare because they are making losses upon losses. They be was a bank So if you tell me that you are coming to open companies, when the previous government brought 1D, 1F, why didn't you bring those investors to central region, even central? Why didn't you bring those investors? Or maybe you was central region. You didn't do that. So you should spare us the lies. Say, oh no, no cre. Wherever no cre ben no ka. Or no cre ana no cre was him.
All right, double. What do you see, man? Aye.
Into no penny media dear no dear but you see sometimes we have to take the bull by the horn.
Okay.
And that is what we are doing to Ken. But we have to do this to him because he has failed to respect the party structure. He has failed to respect us, the grassroots, because he said he's coming for the grass. He has never fought for the grassroots. Never in his life. It's always about him. And now we are tired. The damage control we had to make last year. We will not do that anymore. Internet oka 1,000 because we will not give him that room. For him to denigrate our party, we will not. We will not. Now 31st December dear, ebe fe wo kromu ha sei. Ebe fe keke e wo kromu ha.
All right, medase double. I mean sure.
Good evening.
Yamko, my chairman one.
Network in the case and as a network in it.
Yes, it's eba. Nti ma mo wi free say obama English ba ku bi ansa. Why ko. We are.
Double G and network in your.
Yeah. But who the way okay, yanko.
Because I saw some more can a chat is.
Sisi ya mete won ka fire.
Second fire. Okay. And the fire lady, a fire.
I'm going to be a bit brutal, Kakra. So we MPP ni pa ma papa. Na wo shekede de Japan. Na wo timi ka sekede de Japan. E motivate you na fu sekede de Japan. Ni behavior suit NPP a. E bia na nye dan kwado mobuzi a MPP na ye ka no. Ye ka NDC MPP ye na ono akotiri bi no. Na me ye nka NPP core MPP anka say rude. Ye free bibi personality traits. Personality traits no. Eniema a basic ones are a menipa eda shronko. Eye consistent, right? Enduring patterns of thinking. Patterns of thinking, no muntie keywords no. patterns of thinking, feeling, and behaving that make each individual unique. It's about the personality trait, and no se sankura enye because yet woni di enemu. Mayembra basic core qualities of can I say a good leader, right? Integrity, communication, decision making, and accountability. Now, we are now about professionalism and personal growth. As a leader, you should be self-aware and continuously you should learn. As mama ga yina munchira me Kennedy Japan munchira me nyawayo. Munchira me. He hasn't learned.
Oni ba kokura.
Only be. He's not qualified. He's not qualified. Nyameka want personality trait ameka want. Anu ni ade wona odi enemu. Uya ni di enye. But so who person we improve you learn. Kennedy Japan, the was here.
You're ready. He's not ready to learn.
What's not TV so? Yeah, a primaries. I'm a candidate. I attack a party need to take Kennedy Japan that. A BC that. I want people about what's in. A lunch a man team no cratin who I got in the party 2007 somebody. And then no see what you say. UPO say UB Crimo say they no. And no crampono. He doesn't even attack NPP party like Kennedy Japan. Are they? Now where you see you 24 best here. One blow and I won't tell you. I didn't need the whole plane. Also with the NPP. Now also with the Kennedy Japan here. You should be questioned. You should be questioned. Seriously. Shende no kwati na okika. Me, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, as I say, free neko. Boku mema wale for mema. Munyina mun sani free suru na mumra. Mun protected doctor at all costs with our lives. Kawuti said doctor doesn't exist to you. Kennedy Japan. Do you know that word is an insult? Now you can't want to brother ubuefu. Kawuti said, so you be papa. The person owe you a duty to reciprocate. Like seriously. Who you be papa, you expect something back. And then in Japan, you owe NPP your life. Because NPP nema we ye papa Akufo no kukuru contract in kebeti me achame nipa 100 edema wo ba Akufo. Wo didi me wo ne wo yire ne wo ma no mpnafo ene wo dwumanfo. Etika ye ka obi a se wo Kennedy Japan se wo see o formula wo nam wiase ne se wo ma obi simpoa. Who expected something back there? Then NPP, you owe your life to NPP. Na me kachao. It's for Tibetuo. Ni fasi kenka. Ni fenya foli. Ni fenya musio. Ema NPP. Ni empra NPP boni nyina nko.
Me pacho me new account we mama me pima kuti at your was here not to flower no for be to side account this one pacho. Me pakro onim no
pa. Enti Kennedy Japan. Ye grassroots for na yeti ya na ye kasa no. Ene nkrofo no so support no. Sabio. Benefit na Kennedy Japan wanya free NPP mu no. Omanya bia na. Baby. Womunya bi. Enti ye ka obi asa wo so principal wo de na mo asase su ni say wo ye obi papa wanya onya papa enkotra heaven dia. Ken fa wuti bra ne fa nko yi musuo na NPP ntimi wini 2028. Aden. Yes, why you be a yeah? Why you be a yo, Kennedy Japan? Nigeria for say you don't do. Abroso. Won't obinim kana say abroso. Aden. Yenya wuden biem. Ni NPP aye Kennedy Japan yenya wuden biem. Huh? Nemi party na ate party no. Wona wuti party na nka say na abeye. Where did the chance in him we? Who got watching wonyanse ni ben? And did the chance you one and any fear, plate ne, and chance or ye biani wo move you watching it. Ope pound, who did the plate me up a pound come, which you come and up upon the cozy shelf so. Who here was Uncle Yusu? a plate in a NPP no. Won did mu wie enya wo hu wie emetina me kan kire say wo companies 90 years 70 years and 9 years a day and now we die 200 and something in Japan eye NPP na ye wo yie until you owe us a lot eti kwanu tum Canada Japan ya brow so we say doctor exist ma wo doctor exist for any papa for doctor exist for anything abirimpon for doctor or existing ma any power dream mu do doctor or existing ma amapomba doctor or existing ma enkrofo a wo influence na wo doctor existing ma wa edien gosu apu topi woni sikan jin doctor Bawumi o me catch now woni sikan sin doctor Bawumi a on show off wo kere Japan wo dia na wo nkukofu na kwasa de ba no doctor you know you do gina ho near the doctor Mahmoud Bawumi gina ho no ma wo the physical appearance in Pocrates say physical appearance it is saying and some ya saba intellectual ya banadwi mu hwehwem wo obi wo kere Japan wo bi you don't have it and it is a wona wo ti wo no you see you can say respect is earned. You can't buy respect. Mimi to make me ye. Who was casting Miss Mitty? I come on in. It is Sika, yem fan to respect. Sika, yem fan to respect. Oh, yeah, any we work for it, work towards it. When you Sika, one know you don't plan for one, would you my phone coaching? Would you my phone 500 Ghana, 200,000 Ghana? No more coaching. Aden. Me kwati a doctor in the same man. Who call the whole world economic forum having war Amsterdam. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumi ko jira won penifo 83 from World Bank. You can say World Trade Center. Different I mean the whole world. That's the one top economic forum having. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumi was the guest speaker. And he spoke abrofu yes, Brussels, yes, not Amsterdam. Abrofu woman experience first world country and yet developing countries first world country omuno ba no economy top notch. From they stood up, clapped for him for 10 minutes. They agreed with him and said they will go back to their countries and apply the proposals. Who was I with him? Aye. Sergeant, a bit out with him. Say, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumi, man the whole board or your example. My practical example can be who do we see when we come to say a year for who is say can you put me
walk bumble foam.
What and you Ghana na ya fu na Ghana nya fu say din ke change so be di president can you pose make it go back me Ghana na fu sa no aye fu sa abetie si zongo gata ho adai can you papa betina ya brew why be a ye party one did mu awie jaima yen ni enso yen young ones no yesu be ye afemude ni enye party ni ye enfa party nkosi enyini mfram na mu mbesi kunkon so ni enjare ni nsamfa ne mra na mahama we ya na ne ho fi mahama we ya ne ho aye papa bibre mahama we oda bimu mahama oda gata mu krampa ndi sifoko yi no ebo na kasha edwale ni doko ehye ne gown edi osoro abofo crown de share no be ka kire se mahama yo osoro abofo na Ghana hiya mahama ye Ghana fo age nkwa wonu mpo ye to abama no na wo Dr. Mahmoud Bawumi ye do ne mahama gina ho no mu a ye ka obi leader na wo wako gina ho say it doesn't exist wo nya obi a na doctor exist wo trim ko pa ba bitina ya brew ugu umeyebo opposition wie ye so what mean obi also was ka kwabon timi nku nsra wani em na what UTV in 3 days when nyina ya popra se na wadware po mo hwere nim na nim nyina ya popra beka so free pum na pie ye
I will tell.
leadership out there.
Wifey, I will tell.
A tro you busa say you say list companies what mean body obi aso person be president. Obi aso be president who evade the tax. Who evade the tax? Yes, yeah, who you be? One now supposed the president. One now would dog Ghana see obia. Can Japan dog Ghana see obia into attacking the party. Now moon shock kasa. When you see the word more MPP for it clearly goes to show so on kaya who busa Canada Japan was you no be the president or the Kwame Nkrumah ideology the Bibu Ghana. And I go see PPA. Go see PP. And you know so kocha CPP atadium okocha video be able post here a link you know. Go see PP. Because NPP, you should down kwa domobuzia knowledge, ni ideals, and ye every party no, and young Nkrumah ideology, chum, will be a catchers of the Nkrumah ideology, babe, you Ghana, where you are mostly who, where you crossing, and now you will faith industrial revolution, and ye master, ye the AI, ye the one and a year Juma, ye found Nkrumah, and Nkrumah, where no David Unko. This 1666 formula. What mean for 1666 formula? 2025. Oh, can Japan compare bitna? They crash samuno. Who are you? Who name near Koswa? And then be Piazza, be robot. And the dear Juma, come and come time, Ghana for years. And so, a profone econo, woman 600 million pounds. Million pounds. Nkrumah or you smart and also said was sana. And could be a positive balance. The only president in the whole of Africa was starting with a positive bank balance with huge amount. I know British from German Zimbabwe. I know Mujama South Africa for. I know Mujama Guinea name Mali. I know Mujama Omo. Ghana Sikai Jama change. It do 2 or 4 years. Na Ghana echo IMF. Because IMF. It who catch them say Nkrumah were a good leader and Ghana go IMF. Fi Obiama Sika free. It has never happened before. Positive balance. Near IMF. It is also Nkrumah ideology. And them fifth gen. Who the Obia ne ideology. Ewo the hifa Nkrumah kwa minim generation krampo ewom. Eno na wo di ba be di president. Na yesansu busawa wusi wuni social media. Somate, mona mo support Kenya Japan somate. Also ni social media. Enemrem, wo person di president 2028, wuni social media. No de oba ho be pamo, oba